everybody? Welcome back to Joy Navy TV. I'm Joy, and what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Joy Navy TV. I'm Joy, and today we're gonna do a putting on my lace front wig video. Okay, no, that was just so bad. Okay guys, so right here I'm just showing you how I have divided my hair into two sections to go ahead and start braiding my hair down. Right here I am showing you that I have completed the braids all the way to the back. Yes, the ends are just hanging, but I just want to show you guys that it was done. Okay, right here I am putting on the stocking cap, and I will be pulling it down all the way to my eyebrows and tucking the braids in the back. So you want to pull it down to where your sideburns are covered as well. So that's what I'm just showing you guys right there. Right here I'm showing you that I have put the Got2b glue all over the front of the, what is this, the wig cap. And this is me sitting under the dryer. And this was after. So I've cut the excess lace off the front. You want to cut the lace back all the way to your hairline. So that's what I'm showing you guys. And you will. You see, like, this is sticking up. So we're going to glue these sides back. Fix this one because I don't know what's going on over here. So we're just going to, you know. Okay, so the stuff we're going to need today. Ooh, let me not do it. Is the Got2b glue styling spiking gel, the yellow bottle. You'll need the rat tail comb with the metal end, a blow dryer, and of course a wig. I will show y'all the wig, but it's over here on a mannequin head. Don't feel like moving it. And I do have a Marcel iron because I'm gonna curl my hair. As you saw in the beginning of the video, it was curled. Smart. Anyway, yeah. So this is all that you'll need today. So first things first is you wanna just take a little bit of glue and use
piece by piece, and making sure that you're not, putting too much on, Got2b on the underside because it won't stick. So as you can see, this is what you need in this comfort to get into the little spots. Like if it's just a little piece sticking up, and also to press down, because you don't want to use your hand. So yes, here. So when I press like this, you can use your hand, or if you want, you can use your blow dryer, and you want to put it on the cold one, not like heat. And this is just to hold everything down.
Now for the sides, I'm gonna use the back end of the comb, well, like this side of the comb, just because it's more to cover. Like I actually have a bigger space. So you just want to put the glue here and kind of rub it around, and then you want to do the same thing. It's okay if it's glue on this because you're gonna put glue on it anyway. Just want to kind of hold it down. And then you can take your blow dryer and put it in place. I think I'm gonna be deaf. Okay, but
Yeah, so now that is, dry or partially dry, whatever, you can go ahead and go to the other side. And y'all see, like, this side, it needs a little bit more love. So first you want to pull it. So we're going to glue all this back. make sure it's tucked. And then, now this is the moment of truth. Okay. So the next
Taking glue, putting it across. So you can use your finger or you can use the tip of the comb. I prefer the tip of the comb just because it'll distribute the glue a little bit more even than your hand would. Like, you don't want to put too much glue because you don't want to look crazy. But like this, generous amounts. You just dab it along and then just wipe down. Okay, see, yeah, make a mess. This, make sure you get on the sides because you do have to stick it on the side as well. And it's good to kind of let it air dry just so that the glue is more tacky, meaning that the wig will stick better than with the blow dryer, because then you have to keep touching the glue. You might be wiping some of it off as you're blowing it with the dryer and touching it. So you see I'm putting it on the cap but also slightly on my forehead, just a little bit, because you do still want it to look like your real hair and not like a wig. So you just put it on the cap, also on your forehead. And you see, this is helping this side of the glue go ahead and dry up a little bit to get tacky, but you don't put too much glue on at once because it will not dry. And it won't be tacky, it'll just be like white glue stuck all over your head. And then you're gonna look crazy. So to prevent yourself from looking crazy, just don't put a lot of glue. So yes, if you can see, I'm just looking for spots that I can add a little bit more glue to. Kind of like right here. And flatten it out, because you want it to melt onto your scalp, okay? Period. That is what we're going for. Melt. Okay. Now look. I prefer air dry because at least you know it's drying evenly, and yeah, whatever. So y'all, we got the Fierce Red wig here. Yes, I did this myself. So I'm just gonna take the T-pins out of the wig, and we're going to proceed to put it away. So I have already cut the lace to this wig. So, got the lace cut. Okay, his hair stuck in this comb. Big. Yeah, so we already got the lace cut. You don't want to cut too much of the lace or freehand cut the lace because it's supposed to match your hairline or be close to your hairline so that it looks like your own hair. So this is the middle part, y'all. Here, middle part with it. So then you just want to take the end of this comb, and you see how like it's kind of sticking. Here, let me get closer. It's kind of sticky, meaning that we could go ahead and put it on, and then just take the blow dryer and let it, the blow dryer dry everything up. So that is how you want the glue to be on the wig. So And again, this wig does have the adjustable straps in it, and I'll put the link to the wig in the description box. So it does have the straps in it. I mean, yes. So you just want to take it, want to put it on the back of your head. I'm not gonna link the what you call it's together, the combs. I'm not gonna put them together or nothing like that, because we gotta make sure the front is gonna stick first. Ugh. So I'm gonna start over here. See, just line it up. Line it up. And yes, pull the wig down. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Because you don't want to be looking crazy with the wig. Maybe you can pull this back a little bit further. And then the side. Hurt. I want to hold it down. Hold the side down so you can glue this whole side to your face. And this is where we're going to take the blow dry and you can blow it on. So this is the first side glued down. Just go back through with the end of your comb and just glue. But now you're gonna come to this side. See this one? Okay. And now you're gonna glue this side down. Okay, something went wrong right here in the front, so let me get close to the Okay, you don't want to be like me and brush it too hard and then your wig falls off. My wig never fell off, but I'm just saying don't brush it too hard. No. Because you don't want it to fall off. Okay. So, here we go, here we go. So now I'm just combing it and combing it. Yes, guys. Okay. I don't know how to do baby hairs, but I'm gonna try right now for y'all, because it's like when I do them, they just look crazy. So I don't ever try to do them no more. So like, cause then look, it'll go over the hair like that. Like, I don't know. It just be looking crazy to me. I know if it look crazy to me, y'all probably like, girl, what is you doing? But whatever. And this almost look like it's sitting a little too far back off my face, but yes. Okay. So now we're done with this bar burn. Put it up. So maybe that's something I can try to practice for you guys, is putting on, is creating baby hairs. I just suck. Actually, I don't think I want no curl.